Patrick wrote a poem for his children for after he is dead. The poem is called A Song of My Life, or Why It's Alright That I'm Dead. This is Patrick reciting it in 2010.
The things I've seen with these eyes, he said, as he sat there in the rain. Well, I saw things with mine as well, and my tale shall tell the same. I've seen the heather and the snaggled rocks paint Trefan's granite slopes, and loved the pools and shattered cliffs that cross the northern coast. Book in hand I've climbed and swam, I've heard the conkers crack, I've ridden trains and flown a plane, parachute upon my back. Leather backs and washed up wrack and glaciers I've seen, cathedrals far and Spanish bars and alpine pastures green. Sailing boats have plunged and raced over blue and foaming seas, the heaving deck beneath my feet, the thwart between my knees. I've travelled half the world about and seen a whale's jaw. I've seen volcanoes spit and shout, beheld a black sand shore. I loved it then and love it now, and if had my time again, would travel down this self-same path and do it all again. I've held my children 1, 2, 3 as they laughed and grew, every moment treasured deep, each day a pleasure new. One sight above all others though, I to my heart to hold near, that of the laughing, loving face of my Cathy dear. Her crooked smile has my world lit, from when her eye first saw. I glance now at the ring I took when I made her mine in law. As I look down, my watch hangs loose, each hand is gaunt and thin. The flesh is sunk, the muscle gone, the bones show through the skin. I smile and laugh when now I think how others see this change. They think it wrong and desperate sad, my laughter to them strange. The things I've seen, the things I've done, could fully 2 lives fill. Content am I, as now I come to pay the bush's bill. It's raining still as his tale ends, the man inclines his head. And it's raining still the moment next his ticking heart stops dead. And so for me the time has come, it's nearly time to go. The story's told, the tale is done, one sole thing left to know. I am a happy man.